Jesus Christ!
It looks like he got a bit carried away. In a wheelbarrow.
Oh no! It's a crime! And I feel it to be my duty to save this person because I am hero!
And I feel it's my duty to help him save this person because I am the sidekick.
Oh look! It's a wallet!
My name is not Luke.
Shut up, Psychic. I think this is evidence. Well, I'm just gonna look at it later. Psychic! Do you think there's an eyewitness to the crime?
I don't know. Maybe that hobo.
You yellow-bellied hobo. Tell me what I want to know. Tell me now. Do not fuck with me. Tell me. Just tell me and this will get a lot easier.
My friends do nice things to each other. We're friends, right? You do nice things for me, right? Well, tell me where the victim is and I'll do nice things to you.
This isn't working. We need to hit him. Then he'll tell us where the victim is. What is this? It says he lost his tongue. God damn it. He's useless. What do we do now? I remember. The villain's wallet. He dropped it at the scene. Yes. See? It says here that he lives in the big black forest. Yes. We must go there and save the victim. To the airmobile! Finally, we are in the big black forest.
Be wary, hero. There might be a trap. Somewhere.
Yes, that might be true. But we must not surrender. We must charge forth and save the victim. Because if we surrender, we lose. And if we lose, the Earth loses. And if the Earth loses, you lose. And we don't want that. So, we must not give up!
Tara! It's a trap!
Don't kill me!
Help!
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 What are you guys doing here?
We're saving you.
Cool. Good luck with that.
Yeah, I know.
I am the villain, and I have finally captured you, hero, and your sidekick, by luring you here with your friend, the victim. Now I shall destroy you using my gigantic laser. It will only take 50 minutes to charge, and I'm just going to stand here while it charges and point it at you.
Why are you doing this to us?
Because I'm evil.
That's not an answer.
Well, you are 3 guys here. Now, I'm going to kill you all and take your kidneys and sell them on eBay. That's 6 kidneys, I'll be rich. And then I can stop being evil and sail around the world and do stuff I like.
We must think of something to save ourselves. Yes. Yes. What about we use magnetic forces to pull that stick to us, and then we throw it at him, and he'll be scared and run away, and we'll be saved. Yeah.
That won't work.
I'll call my mother. She will come and hit him, and then he'll be dead.
That won't work.
Maybe if I ask him nicely, then he'll go away.
That won't work.
What about we wet our pants Then he'll be forced to change them, and then we will get him.
What about reverse psychology?
I have an idea. What about reverse psychology? Let's try something small. Willen, take your hood off. I mean, you don't want to take your hood off.
I certainly have the urge to take my hood off.
It seems to be working. Let's try something else. Willen,
Yes.
you don't want to put the laser on the ground.
Certainly have the urge to put this laser on the ground.
Willen, you don't want to run in circles, jumping on one foot.
Certainly have the urge to run in circles, jumping on one foot. This is getting ridiculous.
Oh, the laser's almost charged. We must kill him with it. Willen, you don't want to pick up the laser and put it at your head.
Certainly have the urge to pick up this laser and put it at my hat.
Once again, I saved the world from the wrath of the Willen. Yeah, we did it! Yes! Yes! Oh, let's get out of here.
Hero, come see this.
What? What is it?
Someone bought it.
Yes! Yes! We're rich!
We're finally rich.
Come to decide of the games that I tried were not enough to waste my time on. I don't really see why you play COD and Fallout 3 felt so contrived. Don't understand why you play Rock Band, cause it's just one game that I get high on. Play it all the time, it's gaming redefined, copied it to my hard drive. Halo, this is all I play. Oh, I got my Halo, this is all I play.